At a residential house, a car was parked on a slightly sloped driveway. With no one inside, it suddenly began rolling backward toward the street. The owner, an elderly man, rushed to stop it before it reached the road. Unfortunately, the car continued moving and hit the closed gate of a neighboring house. Nearby residents quickly intervened and secured the vehicle to prevent further movement. This serves as a reminder that vehicles must always be parked with the handbrake fully engaged and the wheels turned toward a curb or stopper, especially on inclined surfaces. Even though modern cars have safety features like auto hold or park assist, they can't replace manual precautions. Always double-check the gear position and parking brake before leaving a vehicle unattended. A few seconds of care can prevent serious accidents. At a busy loading dock, two workers were unloading heavy boxes from a truck. One man stood on the truck bed, separating the stacked cartons so his partner could place them safely on the ground. Everything seemed perfectly under control until one of the side boxes started shifting. Before the worker could react, the load slid unexpectedly, throwing him off balance and causing him to fall from the truck. At the same moment, the heavy boxes tumbled in the same direction, landing dangerously close to him. This incident reminds us how crucial it is to secure materials properly during loading and unloading. Workers should avoid standing next to unstable stacks and must use lifting tools such as straps, trolleys, or hoists instead of relying only on manual effort. On a quiet street, a tricycle parked near a wall suddenly rolled forward on its own. It appeared that the parking brake hadn't been applied properly, causing it to move into the open street. Sadly, a woman standing nearby was in its path, and the tricycle struck her before coming to a stop. Although the impact was minor, the incident clearly shows how accidents can happen even at low speed. Always make sure tricycles, delivery carts, or any small vehicles are switched off completely, and their brakes are engaged before leaving them unattended. On a busy main road, traffic was moving smoothly. Rickshaws, cars, and trucks all flowed steadily under clear skies until a large truck approached at high speed from behind. As the vehicles ahead slowed down, the truck driver couldn't stop in time. Within seconds, it collided with two rickshaws and a car, triggering a chain reaction crash. The smaller vehicles were badly crushed in the impact. This highlights how maintaining a safe following distance and controlling speed is vital on the road. Heavy trucks require much longer stopping distances. Even a second's delay in reaction can cause disaster. Inside a paper manufacturing unit, a large paper roll was passing smoothly through heavy rollers. A worker nearby was performing his routine checks when he accidentally stepped too close. His foot touched the moving roller, pulling him toward the machine. Thankfully, coworkers reacted quickly. They stopped the rollers and freed him, preventing a more serious injury. This event emphasizes the need to maintain a safe distance from operating machinery and never touch moving equipment. Safety guards, emergency stop systems, and proper training can make all the difference in preventing such accidents.